lamb tards here. And we're driving to... no idea. Yellow. Going to... where are we going? We're going to get a new lawnmower. I thought we were going to Charlie. No, we're going to Naga. Alright. No, it's fine, it's alright. It's okay. I don't mind. We're going Reebok. Yay! We're going Reebok then, in Argos. Right at the bus stop. Okay, we're on our way to Argos. Argos Extra.
Thank you.
Here we are to the studio. Let's look here.
I didn't bring me.
Heck is this? I think. Yeah, I think it is actually. Whoa. Well, we got the lawnmower, and I'm kind of squashed. Great. But it went in. It didn't go in the boot because the BMW boot is too small. We're on our way to Aldi.
025.
We're at Aldi.
At Full Pleasure Beach, experience our biggest rides, highest drops, and fastest roller coasters. See amazing international ice stars performing our breathtaking hot ice show. Meet Sponge.
Okay, we're at Aldi. Dun-dun-dun. And we're going inside. Dun, dun. Oh, we're in. Look at all this cereal. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it all. I know. I have. Oh no. I know. Crunch.
Looking better and better. Looks good.
Oh my gosh. No idea what they're talking about. An hour conversation, probably.
You feel really old and you in there. Well, I do.
Dawn.
Yeah, right.
Oh, yum.
I'm going to go in there.
It's better, the box.
Oh, yeah? How did you go on? Yeah. Yeah, due to the risk that I've already
Let's get all this bread.
Yeah. Last time I had to
Alright.
yeah, but it was 12 years ago now.
Yeah. So it's the same thing, come back.
No.
No, just put down.
No, it's not included.
No.
You know, so just thinking about that as well.
They're still talking. I'm gonna pause this thing until they stop. Yeah. Venus rolls. Help with the unpacking. They look yummy. Yeah, what? This sauce. I sneaked the spaghetti in the trolley. Mum hasn't noticed yet. Who got them? Alright, do you like them?
No.
Alright, okay. Bubble wrap. We're now sadly leaving Aldi. Bye. How sad. Iceland. Now I have to get in the squished up car with the lawnmower. Good luck. Look how ridiculous this is. I need to get in the car. While the lawnmower was there, and I have to get squished up. This is somehow get in. Mum's just putting the trolley back. Oh my gosh. This is how I have to go in. Oh! Oh my gosh, my legs are like, it's really scary. Right. Look at that. The seat, that's there it is. Come here. Go, Mom. Go, me. Hey, you. Yeah, it's my dog. Her name's Bluebell. Hi, Boo. Okay. Come on, boy. Excited to see me? What?
Why do you didn't get any soup? Got loads.
I know. Cooperative. Good with food. Okay, well that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Hello, my little baby. Oh, I got a hole in my sock now. Hello. Oh, she's excited. She's excited to see me. And, well, hope you liked the video. Say bye, Blue. Bye.